Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your meeting passcode in Zoom. Whether you need to share access details with participants or you've simply forgotten the code for an upcoming session, knowing where to locate this information will save you time and keep your meetings running smoothly. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to zoom.us. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email and password associated with your Zoom account, as this will give you access to all your meeting settings and scheduled sessions. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Zoom dashboard. Direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see several menu options. From there, click on Meetings. This section houses all your scheduled and past meetings, making it easy to manage everything in one place. Now, you'll see a list of your meetings displayed on the screen. Browse through and select the specific meeting you need the passcode for, whether it's an upcoming scheduled meeting or one that's already taken place. Each meeting is listed with its topic name and date, so finding the right one should be straightforward. Once you've located your meeting, click on the meeting topic itself. This action will open up the meeting's details page where you can view and modify various settings related to that particular session. Here you'll find information like the meeting time, duration, and security options. On the details page, navigate to the security section. This is where Zoom stores all the protective measures for your meeting, including waiting rooms and passcode requirements. Look for the field labeled Passcode and you'll notice there's a Show button right beside it. Click on Show to reveal the meeting passcode. The code will appear on your screen, and you can now copy it or share it with participants who need access. Now, there's another scenario you might encounter. If you're already hosting an active meeting and need to find the passcode on the spot, the process is slightly different. In your Zoom app, during the live meeting, locate the Participants button at the bottom of your screen. Click the small up arrow next to Participants. This will open a menu with additional options related to managing your meeting attendees. From that menu, click on Invite. A new window will pop up showing various ways you can invite people to join your current meeting. Look towards the bottom right corner of this invite window. There you'll see the passcode displayed clearly, making it easy to share with anyone who needs immediate access to your meeting. And that's it. You now know how to find your Zoom meeting passcode both before a meeting starts and during an active session. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.